Dr. Kemp here, the Hammond Doc. All right, now I've finished recapping my Hickok 752A. I've already shown you in a previous video where I replaced the caps here, and now I just finished replacing this one. This is the 50 microfarad capacitor, and then over here is an 8 microfarad capacitor. So I now have the new caps in there, and I have a new tube that I need to install in this unit. Once I put this the tube in there, then I'll be ready to try this out. All right, and see what we get. Okay, so that's it. Dr. Kemp, the Hammond Doc. Peace out.